Welcome back, guys, to the free 30-day AI Academy Challenge. We're on day 27. How to make money with AI. We have a full dedicated school group to this called the AI Academy Plus, which you've heard me mention probably 100 times by now. But I am the most excited today about this section. It's something I'm very passionate about. It's something that's changed my life for the better. It's changed my friends' lives for the better, and I know it can change your life for the better. We will have a free full course coming out in the free community around how to make money with AI, but obviously a lot of the workflows will be in the paid, but we still want to give you guys some free sauce, so including this lesson today, and we're working hard to get that free course out where we show you, one, how you can work with us, and two, how you can start to capitalize on your knowledge and make money for yourself. So let's hop right into it. Day 27. As always, subscribe and follow for more important updates regarding the course. Especially my Instagram, I'm giving away a lot of free stuff on there, on my story and also in my private channel. Share the course, start a revolution, change people's lives together. You can earn that nice 40% commission. This course will always be free forever, but on those paid upsells, monthly giveaways, complete the workshop or worksheet to stay active. Literally, you can win Apple products or our bigger rewards, hopefully in the future, just by staying active in the community, which is sick. Bonus tip, watch the course in 2x speed, share your results and experiences with others in school, online. I had someone tag me on Instagram about the school. Really cool to see that. And let's keep going. So the agenda for today, we're going to cover 4 ways that I think are 4 of the best ways to make money with AI right now. We cover all these with in-depth courses, full guide walkthroughs, and community support in the AI Academy Plus, but I want to give you guys a little taste today. So we're going to go through AI newsletters, AI content creation, AI agencies, and AI UGC. And before we hop into newsletters, I told myself I would show you guys inside the school here. This is obviously before we've fully promoted it. I think there's only a few heads in here. But if we go into Classroom, we have full courses around, obviously they start here. Instead of $10,000 of free perks in the free community, we give you over $50,000 of discount codes in here, which is absolutely insane. For only $97 a month, this price is going to go up as we start to fill up because I don't want this community to get too bloated. We have a full course like picking which AI side hustle, kind of how we chose our path in this free one. You can pick your AI side hustle here, and then we have all these free, or not free, but we have all these courses built out. AI newsletters, how to monetize a newsletter. I think people really sleep on how much money you can make with newsletters in the age of AI. It doesn't have to be an AI newsletter, it can be anything. AI content creation, how you can start making content using AI. If you want to make content about AI, we have a full course of how you can work with us for that. AI UGC is something I'm seeing print, especially on TikTok Shop. I think we're mixing like UGC with TikTok Shop here. That's a sick course. AI avatars, you can literally make money with your AI avatar. I'm seeing people do this all the time on Instagram now. AI agencies, a little saturated, but we walk you through. I used to run an agency for social media, how you can use AI to scale it, and then AI freelancing. If you don't want to do any of this, if you don't want your face on the internet, there's still plenty of money in AI freelancing. The Working Vault, everything in the free community with all our free resources plus more in-depth stuff, and then our live coaching calls. And we're also going to be rolling out a reward system like we have in the free as people start to join the plus as well. So super excited, just wanted to show you that. And let's hop into the slides for today. So first, AI newsletters. You sell the attention and the value. You build an audience, monetize with ads and sponsorships. My newsletter is the AI Debrief, where we have over 100,000, 112,000 now, wow, 112,000 active subscribers. If you go into the archive, we haven't posted that many times. It's my subscribers, guys. We just have some great funnels. Posted 19 times. This is our recent article where we do, so on Fridays we do, or Tuesdays, we do a debrief where it's the one thing you should know in the news every day. We're still fixing the UI here a little bit, but the context is really good. This is talking about Google Gemini Spark and how their pricing is jumping January 1st, so people were aware. This had like a 80% open rate or something ridiculous. And then we also do a toolkit on Fridays, which is kind of like the point of the school where we just give you something for free, where it's like this agent was $100 and now it's 20. Here's how to walk through it. Here's all our free stuff. You can watch it in the vault and it links to our school, and then we just sign off there. But My newsletter in particular, we make money off of Upscribe, and then we also make money off of paid ads. Of 100,000 subscribers, you can charge anywhere from $8,000 to $10,000 just for a single ad placement. Just to give you guys an idea of the amount of money in newsletters in general. And then in the paid school, we teach you how to optimize those, how to get your funnels, how to get your leads, how to get people from social media to give you their email, and how to monetize on it. So AI can write the drafts. This is totally up to you. I personally write all of ours because I like the human touch. It's a low startup cost. If you have no list, it doesn't cost anything. I think we're, for 100,000, I think we're at like $10,000 a year. We're just paying to store our list, but there's literally low startup costs if you don't have a list yet. Free first step, start a newsletter, publish one issue. Mine literally started just because I had so many thoughts about the AI industry and how there's so much slop out there, and then through some social media strategies, it kind of just took off. And we have a cool thing in the free community where if you want to promote the newsletter, you can, and we give very generous affiliate bonuses there. And we go deeper on Plus, the full newsletter systems in the AI Academy Plus. AI content creation. This is one I'm not seeing as much of online. You can get paid to post brand deals, affiliates, and your own offers. Some demo I'm not going to show you, but I've worked with Replit, Higgsfield, some of the big players in the AI space, Emergent, and those brand deals. Then you get affiliates on them, and you can create your own offers too. It's really, really lucrative. We built your engine. Your engine exists from day 25. If you want to get into the content game, we go into this deeper on Plus, but you pick one platform, you go deep where people already are, and your free first step post for 7 days straight, track what lands. Again, we go through all this in Plus, and we'll have a shorter free course in the free community, but it's literally just like post what's on your mind, post what's in your niche. There's no such thing as a bad post, just post and forget about it. And then we go deeper on Plus. AI agency. So this is something that was really big 2-3 years ago. I know friends that are still doing great numbers with AI agencies. They're making thousands of dollars. But you sell AI as a service, do the AI work, busy businesses won't. And you can use your assistant that we built on day 26. If you want to do something like this, I did a marketing agency that I sold my senior year of college that used AI a bit. And I walk you through that entire playbook in the Plus community. You can do one service for one client, start small, and deliver one real result. You can do cohorts, whatever floats your boat. And then the free first step offer here is you can offer one AI service to one business. So if you're seeing a problem in the market, we see this a lot on like Instagram Reels where people are they're doing an agency where they're just creating websites for small businesses, and they walk in cold and they record it for content. So then they get the content engine and then just upsells to, hey, I do websites. Do you need a website? We walk through all of this in Plus as well. But although I'm not sharing so much here, the whole point of this video is to just show you that there's real money to be made in AI, and these are a few of the ways that people are doing it. AI UGC, if you don't know what UGC stands for, it's user-generated content. Absolutely blown up recently. You can make ads for brands. AI-assisted user-style content that actually sells. We have a full course on this in Plus. Uses images and video. We built this on day 14. So again, we've built some of the blocks needed for all these paid things for you guys already. Brands pay per video, a repeatable in-demand paid service. You can get paid like $30 a video, and if you want to bulk make videos, I know people making $10,000 a week doing AI UGC. It's absolutely nuts. We have some of those guests in the paid school weekly calls. I'll try to get some of them onto the free as well for you guys. Free first step, make one sample UGC video this week. I think I have some links in the paid ones to a few UGC agencies that I know where I'll vet for you guys. You guys can get in, try it out, see if you like it. And of course, fill out your worksheet for today. Found at founderdrew.com/day27, and then of course post it in accountability. So again, there's just so many cool ways to make money with AI. And I know we did a poll on the AI Academy on the first day of like, you're here, what do you want to get out of AI? Let's see, this guy's getting alert for every single post. Nice. Where we said, hey, how do you want to, like, what are you hoping to get out of the community? Let's see what I said. P.S. What's your number one goal with AI? And it was make money by a lot. And these are just a few methods that we teach in Plus, and I'll try to give as much free game as I can away on here as well, because I think it's important. So for the day 27, we're on 27, right? Yep, day 27 worksheet. Pick your path if you want to explore one of these. Not necessary by any means, and it's not going towards your broader 30-day goal, but I thought it was important to touch on because some people's goals in this course might just be, I want to make an extra $1,000 a month, and this will really tap into exactly what they're looking for. I also have plenty of free resources on my YouTube, free YouTube videos, where I think one of them I walk through my AI newsletter funnel for completely free. It's obviously not as in-depth as the paid, and there's not the community there, but it's still a great game. Write down why you picked this one. Your free next step. Wrote down all of them for you if you want to choose here. The next step that you'll take, point your skills at it. Again, if you walk through this video again, we went through on each one of which days you could pull those skills from, and those worksheets and the projects that we built, and then lock it in, post in accountability, and keep this worksheet because you're only a few days away from that day 30 reward. So in summary, we talked about newsletters, content, agencies, and UGC. Start with the skills that we built already. Free first step. If you want to get deeper, it's all in plus, but I just want to show you the opportunity here. And then tomorrow we're going to package your portfolio up. Again, we did I think you should have 3 builds so far done this week. Super exciting. If you want to go faster, consulting, we do the cohorts every month. If you're ready to build and scale, can't say enough good things about Plus. It's risk-free, guys. It's the best place to build. If you're enjoying the course, post a testimonial in the wins category. Let's get to work. I will see you guys tomorrow for day 28. Get out of here.